Welcome student. Now we are watching the nomenclature of the phenols. Now phenols are the aromatic compound. These are the ring compounds. So while writing the nomenclature, first we see the positions of the nomenclature which are used. So see the functional group OH, it should get the 1 number. So position number will be the 1. Now we will as a clockwise, or we can move as a anti-clockwise. So 2 or 6 position will be the ortho, 3 or 5 positions will be as a meta, and 4th position will be as a para. Now see the first example. So benzene ring attached to the OH group. So phenyl group, that is a phenyl group attached to the OH group. So the common name becomes the phenol, and IUPAC name becomes benzenol, or it is also called the phenol. Now see the second example. So this ring attached to the OH group and the CH3 group. So OH group, that is a functional group, it gives the number 1. So that common name of this compound becomes the O-cresol. Now see the IUPAC name. Methyl group attached to the second carbon atom and functional group OH to the first carbon atom. So it becomes a 2-methyl phenol. Now see the third. The methyl group attached now to the third position, that is the meta positions. So it becomes the M-cresol. IUPAC name becomes 3-methyl phenol. Now fourth. So that is methyl group attached to the third carbon atom. So name of the compound becomes 3-methyl phenol. Now see the fourth compound. So OH group attached to the first carbon atom, and fourth, that is the nitro group attached to the fourth position. So the compound becomes the fourth position, that is the para position. So it becomes the p-nitrophenol. And now P means that is the fourth position. IUPAC name, that is a changed of P, instead of this it becomes the, instead of P it becomes the 4-nitrophenol. Now see, in this compound we have seen the only one OH group attached to the benzene ring. Now 2 OH group attached to the benzene ring. So 1 and 2 position, so that is called the catechol. So IUPAC name becomes benzene. OH group attached to the 1 and 2 position, so benzene 1,2-diol. Now next, so here 2 OH group attached to the position number 1 and 3. So the common name of that compound becomes the resorcinol, and the IUPAC name becomes the benzene 1,3-diol. Same, that is the position of the OH group is changed 1 and 4. That is common name becomes the hydroquinol, and IUPAC name becomes the benzene 1,4-diol. Now that is the trihydric phenol, 3 OH group attached to the benzene ring. Now see the position 1, 2 and 3. So the common name of that compound is the pyrogalol, and the IUPAC name becomes benzene 1,2,3-triol. So 3 OH group attached to the benzene ring. Next, so benzene ring to which OH group and SO3H group is attached. So benzene ring attached to the SO3H group, that is called the benzene sulfonic acid. So OH group attached to the second carbon atom, that is the ortho position. So the name of compound O-hydroxybenzene sulfonic acid. And instead of O, that is the second position. So the IUPAC name becomes 2-hydroxybenzene sulfonic acid. Now see the next compound, it is a very much important compound, that is the OH group attached to the first carbon atom, and 3 nitro group attached to the second, fourth and sixth position respectively. So the name of the compound, that is a common name, is a picric acid. So many times question asked as a picric acid. So the IUPAC name becomes 2,4,6-trinitrophenol. Now that is the 2 So similarly, benzene group attached, benzene ring attached to the OH group and the bromo group. So first numbering from this side and fourth carbon atom to which bromo is attached. So fourth position means para position. So name of compound p-bromophenol, and IUPAC name become the 4-bromophenol. Now see the next. The benzene group attached to the CHO group, that is the functional group of the aldehyde. So this benzene ring to the CHO, that is called the benzaldehyde. So OH group attached to the second position. So that is also called salicyl aldehyde. Common name, and IUPAC name becomes the 2-hydroxybenzaldehyde. Now next, that is the benzene group attached to the carboxylic group COH and the OH. So that common name of that compound is the salicylic acid. So the IUPAC name becomes benzene group attached to the COH group. So that is the benzoic acid. So it's the second position for the hydroxy group. So the compound becomes the 2-hydroxybenzoic acid. And last, that is the OH group, 3-bromo group attached to the second, fourth and sixth position. Now you can numbering to anyhow from right side or from the left side. The numbering remains same. So that is called the symmetrical tribromophenol, and IUPAC name becomes 2,4,6-tribromophenol. Thank you very much for watching this video.